Thutha wa miaka 5 ya shira wa ugumania uria gavana uria urariho kaunti-ini ya Samburu ahandeirwo ni commission ya kurwa na ugumania bururi-ini, riu Moses Kasaine Lenol Kulal na maafitha angĩ 10 aria matungataga rungu rwake ni manyitikanite na mahitia. Mucirithania Thomas Nzioki oigite mwena wa thitango ni oigwithitie igoti gutari nganja ati Lenol Kulal na maafitha angĩ 10 aria matungataga thirikari-ini ya Samburu ni mekuruhanirie na ugumania na gucungiriria kura kwa mbeca cia muingi.
For the first accused person, Moses Kasaine Lenol Kulal, I find you guilty, convict you for conflict of interest provision section 42(3 as read with section 48(1) of ASECA. For count 4, I find first accused person Moses Kasaine Lenol Kulal and 11th accused person Nesbon Jack Washirandadi jointly guilty and convict each one of you for unlawful acquisition public property.
Lenol Kulal athitangirwo mwaka-ini wa 2019 thutha wa kumbuka ati niwe wendagiria kaunti ya Samburu maguta kuhitukira kinyuiro giake kia maguta kiria kiuikaine ta Oryx. Gatagati wa mweri wa 3 mwaka wa 2014 na mweri wa 3 mwaka wa 2019 gavana uyu arerikana amukirire ciringi milioni 84 iria ciareheirwo kinyuiro giake kia maguta.
For conflict of interest charge to succeed,
mwena wa thitango uretire aira 11 na makire ya rithiti 300 iria ciarehirwo kinyuiro giki kia maguta. Mwandiki wa kaunti ya Samburu hinde ya wathani wa gavana uyu Stephen Letinina na maafitha angĩ 10 ono manyititwo na mahitia ma kunyitanira kuiya mbeca cia kaunti makigwatia matiamenyaga kinyuiro kiu kia maguta kia Oryx mwene ari gavana Lenol Kulal. Maratathi-ini maria atemanirie igoti-ini agitetera Lenol Kulal augite ati akomborithitie muhuri biacara Hesbon ndathi kinyuiro giake kia maguta. Inde igoti riugite uyu wari uira wa maheni wena Lenol Kulal na ndathi mari na mucoro mwega wa kuiya mbeca cia muingi kaunti-ini ya Samburu.
Paul Lomilngani
kuma thirikari cia kaunti ithugundwa uyu niwe gavana wa mbere kunyitikana na mahitia ma ugumania cira-ini uria ukenereirwo ni commission ya kuhurana na ugumania iria yahingurire cira uyu.
The ruling delivered by the court today has served justice to the people of Samburu. It is a ruling that EACC finds significant in a number of ways. For instance, this is the first corruption case of a criminal nature that has come to its logical conclusion, even despite the attempt that the DPP made earlier during the proceedings to withdraw the case.
Lenol Kulal na thiriti yake ya ugumania ne maumirwa bodi na igoti na rume kurararo made meterere gutuirwo muthe wa kana.
In excess of this court's discretion, I do not find it appropriate to grant accused person bail.
Girifotera Inooro TV retwa rya Kwane Mwangi wa Maina.